Want to teach you how to buy WikiCat using your Trust Wallet. But to me, the easiest and the newbie friendly way of buying WikiCat is just using your Penny Wallet. But for knowledge sake, let's also do for Trust Wallet because some of you already are acquainted with Trust Wallet. So the first thing you are going to do is one, go to your what? Go to your CoinMarketCap and copy the contract address of WikiCat. So as you can see, this is my CoinMarketCap. So I will just locate WikiCat, which is here, and click on it. When I click on WikiCat, I will go down to do what? To copy the contract address. So look at contract explorer supported wallet. I'll just click on contract. Immediately I click on contract, look at it. The contract address is on BNB chain. So I will just do what? Copy. Now the next thing I'm going to do is head straight to my Trust Wallet. So when I open my Trust Wallet, now my Trust Wallet is open. The number one thing you should have if you want to buy WikiCat on Trust Wallet is you must have BNB. I don't want you to use USDT because if you use USDT, you still run helter skelter to get BNB to pay gas fees. So I urge you to use BNB instead of USDT. Right, so as you can see, I have BNB worth of $12. So what are we going to do next? We are going to go to discover and go to the decentralized exchange of BNB chain, which is PancakeSwap.finance, and load it. Immediately it starts loading, you see these three dots by your extreme right up. You click on it and change this network here from Ethereum to BNB because that is the blockchain you are working with. So if you click here now, you see that it's on BNB chain. So you allow PancakeSwap.finance to actually load. Now that PancakeSwap.finance is done loading, you click on what? Connect wallet and connect Trust Wallet, since that is the wallet we are using. Now the next step is to do what you are buying with should be at the top. So our BNB should be at the top and what we are buying should be down. That is where we are going to input the contract address of WikiCat. So as you can see, it says search by name or address. So we are going to search by address by pasting the contract address of WikiCat. To copy it from CoinMarketCap, and boom, WikiCat is up. We'll now click on what? WikiCat. So the next thing now is to actually choose the quantity of BNB we want to turn to WikiCat, which we will do by clicking on this quantity by the right hand side of BNB here. So let's assume I just want to use 50% of my BNB holdings to actually buy my WikiCat. So I will just click on 50% and automatically it shows me that 50% of my holding, 50% of $12 is $5.64. So it is now showing me that it is going to give me 5.61 USD worth of WikiCat. So since I'm fine with it, I will just click on swap and look at the slippage tolerance here. It is at 0.5. As you all know, that WikiCat has a 2% slippage. So I'm going to reset this auto slippage to what? To 2%, so that our transaction will go what? At once. I'll click on 2. So now that I have clicked on 2, I'll return back. Look at it, it's now showing 2%. I'll click on confirm swap. Now it is loading. So as it is loading, it is trying to change our BNB into what? Into WikiCat. So it might take some time depending on the level or on the strength of your network. So as you can see, it said unknown error, increase your slippage tolerance. So let's try increasing our slippage tolerance this time around to something, let's say like 3%. That is why I prefer Penny Wallet. So let's swap this time around. The slippage is now at 3. Swap, and I think this time around, okay, it is going to go through. So all these hurdles is what makes me to always recommend Penny Wallet anytime, any day, because on Penny Wallet you don't even need BNB to pay gas fees. So now I'm going to click on approve. I'm going to put my password. So I have put my password. Boom, transaction is successful. So I will now click add WikiCat to wallet. Click on OK. Boom, my WikiCat is now added to wallet. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to, first of all, the first thing I did when I came to PancakeSwap was to connect my wallet. And the last thing I should do on PancakeSwap before I exit this place is also to disconnect my wallet. So I will now click on here, this wallet icon you're seeing here. Boom. And what am I going to click on? Disconnect. Look at it. Boom, my wallet is now disconnected. So I can now visit the home page of my Trust Wallet to actually see that my WikiCat was what? Added. So according to your network, as you can see now, look at our WikiCat is now displaying. We now have $5.4 worth of WikiCat. So this is just a plain simple way of buying WikiCat using Trust Wallet. But my favorite and my recommendation to you is to always use Penny Wallet, because it is much easier and much better to understand.